Hi everyone, welcome to another video with Exploring from S&H. In our Scottish series, we're at an abandoned church this morning. Some of these graves in the graveyard date back to the 1600s. Just get a look at that tower. So we're going to go in and explore. Just a quick one of the graveyard. There's old graves and there's new. I'm presuming there's still people buried here. I mean, yeah, obviously there is still people buried here. I'm talking a load of twaddle. But there's newer graves compared to all of these old ones. (1722), 1878. All comfort today. But this little church is abandoned, right on the top of a hillside, up a really uneven road. Good job I've got an SUV as a car. We are going to go in and explore, guys. Obviously the front doors are not open. Never is. But where there's a will, there's a way. So let's go around the back and we'll do some exploring inside the church. Just have one more look at this graveyard. You don't get many graves like this anymore. Like these two here. They're huge. But I'll pop a little bit of history about the church in the description. We were given this location by another Scottish explorer. Thank you so much for that, because we would have never known this was here. So let's go inside. I don't know if you can see all the coat hangers. Wow. Check this out. Yeah. So this is an old church in Dumfries, everybody. Absolute craziness. The pulpit. These windows are something else. As you can see, it literally is falling apart. Absolutely stunning. quite a small church. And those cobwebs are absolute madness. Someone that doesn't like spiders. I'll just go through here. Some of these gravestones in the graveyard date back to 1605 as well. It's absolute crazy. Small little church though. It's been so cute in its time. Nice little bench there. I hate how these places are just left to decay and rot. I mean, can you imagine being buried here? That nobody comes to see you, the church is no more. So peaceful though, guys. I mean, when we come to these places, it is absolute, just there's nothing. It is so peaceful. It's so echoey as well. This is where the congregation will have been addressed. Should we say our Sunday prayers? Absolutely love it. Such a shame. I'm not sure how long it's got left. I'd say good. There is evidence of decay, massive. Remnants of dead birdies. It's worse at the back here. So there it is, an abandoned church in Scotland. Hope you like it, guys.